Why do sometimes we feel the urge to protect someone we love, and at the same time, why do we sometimes feel so angry and frustrated or even self-sabotage ourselves? So, are we born with these tendencies or are they learned? So today, we are going to learn about instincts. These are two powerful ideas given by Sigmund Freud, Eros and Thanos. So just grab a cup of coffee and sit back, and today we'll understand these psychology topics in very simple way. So what are instincts? Instincts are inborn drives. They are natural tendency that we are born with. They are not learned by us. For example, a baby crying when hungry, feeling scared when you see danger, or wanting love or connection. These things are not taught, they just come naturally to us. So, first is Eros. Ta-da! It's the life instinct. It includes survival, love, attachment, reproduction, and creativity and pleasure. So, whenever you work hard for your family, care for your family, love, and try to improve yourself. So that's the Eros working inside you. Eros pushes you towards growth, connection, and life. Like building a career for yourself or protecting someone. It's the force that keep humanity going. Second is Thanos, the death instinct. It includes aggression, violence, destructive behavior, self-harm, or even taking risk without care. Have you ever felt extreme anger and wanted to break something or say something hurtful to someone or even to yourself? That explains the Thanos energy. According to Freud, this instinct pushes human towards destructions, sometimes towards others and sometimes towards ourselves. Now that you have understood both Eros and Thanos, so let me just quickly give you a real life example. Imagine you are angry at someone. So what does Thanos says to you? It says that shout at them, break and attack them, say something harmful, say something bad. But what does Eros says? Eros says that calm down, communicate, solve things will be better. So, what does you do? Your final action depends on which instinct you allow to dominate. And that's all about today's topic. I hope this explanation helped you to understand about instincts, Eros and Thanos in a simpler and a clear way. If you really learned something today, that really makes me happy. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel, and also share with a friend who actually loves psychology videos and enjoy understanding human behavior. Thank you so much for watching the whole video, and I'll see you again in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying.